Today we'll be talking about what a web community is and what it entails. A web community, which is also known as an online community, is a virtual community whose members are able to interact and exchange content over the internet. Its purpose is to gather people with the same idea, same goal, and same experience on a common platform so that they can share content. These are the basic requirements of how to establish a web community. Firstly, you need to focus on niche, whereby you will ask yourself, why and which content will I be delivering on my web community? Secondly, you need to provide guidelines. Guidelines are important wherever you go. Even a fight club has its own rules. Guidelines will make sure that no user ruins the experience of another user. Secondly, you need to create a habit. This way, your clients will know when and how to communicate, and this can be done by sending emails or sending notifications. Lastly, you need to ask for feedback. Asking for feedback will let you know if users actually enjoy using your website. These are the features that attract and retain clients on your website. You need to have a good search engine optimizations. You need to have calls to action, whereby icons such as sign up now are clear to see and clients are able to use. You need to have self-service. A lot of people do not like leaving their houses or making calls. You need to have visual aids that complement your content and attract clients to your website. You need to always update your website. Clients do not like seeing old information. This gives them the idea that your business is actually struggling. Lastly, you need to give people good user experience. People should be able to use your website. If your website is confusing and not easy to use, people will most likely not use it. Social networking technology gives people a platform to engage on social media within these communities. Firstly, you need to place a social sharing icon. Secondly, save your URL on social media channels. Lastly, engage in social media conversation. Doing these three things will make sure that people are able to join your website community, and it is easy to promote the content that is being shared on your website. Lastly, the most important thing in building a website community is to make sure that it serves its purpose. You need to make sure that people are able to use your website and do not think that your website is confusing or hard to use.